Good morning, children. In last class, we have discussed all question answer of chapter 6, that is waste management. And in this class, I will teach you chapter 7, that is the works we do. You enjoying participating in various activities in the school like drawing, paper folding, singing, embroidery, toy making, pot painting, etc. All these activities provide fun and basic knowledge about some occupations that you may up later on, that you may take up later on. Children, an occupation is a meaningful task that is undertaken to earn livelihood. Here is activity, fill in the blanks. Different occupations and professions. 3 different occupations. Number 1 skilled, number 2 unskilled, number 3 professional. In skilled, electrician, barber, plumber, tailor, painter, carpenter, etc. Unskilled worker is rickshaw puller, vegetable seller, sweeper, gardener, etc. Professionals is doctor, teacher, engineer, pilot, lawyer, etc. People take up different occupations when they grow up. Most people choose an occupation related with their favorite childhood activity or interest in their parents' occupation. Many people choose an occupation on the basis of a special skill they have, educational qualifications, or training. Such as painting, singing, designing, or joining the army. The choice of occupation also depends upon the availability of some raw material and the type of land form where they live. In earlier times, farming was the main occupation of the people. Many occupations were dependent upon farming, like the blacksmith made tools for the farmer and the potter made pots for storing grains. Over a period of time, many farmers gave up farming and migrated to cities and towns in search of jobs. They started working in factories, pulling loads and rickshaws, etc. Do you know, children? Many farmers gave up farming due to low income from all land holdings. It was not enough to support their families. When many farmers migrated to cities, their women folk took over the farming along with their traditional occupations of rearing animals, weaving, pottery, and basket making. These activities supplemented the family income. Do you know, in earlier times, many jobs were expected to be done either by boys or girls, but now there are no gender specific occupation, as girls are flying aeroplanes, driving taxis, and boys are cooking and designing dresses. Now, here I am closing. In next class, we will discuss about new occupations, dignity of labors, etc.